Ngizwe Mchunu. I don't know the guy here. The first time I met that guy is there by the students. June 16, yeah, something June. And he was brought by SG to me. I'm like, what is this one doing now on the stage? They say he's an artist or something. I said, let me just be polite. So I really don't care what he thinks of me. He's the smallest boy ever. Even if I see him tomorrow, I will embrace him like I do with all other African kids.
People like Julius Malema who keep on prolonging the international immigrants that are here illegally because he's on their payrolls. He also a part of the drug cartels. He take all the $60 million from outside countries, Julius Malema. That's why he say he don't care even he may not lead this country one day. Because he is full of himself and he is a problem in our own country. We want leaders like him to be not relevant in our political of today.
Hello everyone, hope usuku lakho luhamba kahle. So uJulius Malema ke shuthi uyibonile ke idrama phakathi kwaSomizi kanye noNgizwe ke waphendula wathi this is how this bastard must be treated everywhere, and all his like-minded they talk blank about you on the social media, and when they see you in real time they run for pictures. So ke le nkulumo le ya Julius Malema iyakhombisa ke ukuthi wenza ngazuthi akanandaba nezinkulumo zaNgizwe, akamazi nokuthi uyubani nokuthi uyini, kodwa ke kuyakhombisa la ukuthi izinkulumo zaNgizwe ziyafika enhlizweni kuyena, ingakho eze ephendule kanjena. But ke sivala la i-video namhlanje sibeka ngqi. Really hope ukuthi enjoyile i-video namhlanje. If you enjoyile, make sure to smash the like button, uphinde smash nalo subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.